In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your blockchain.com account safely and completely. Before you begin, it's important to understand that closing an account is usually permanent, so you'll want to make sure everything you need has been saved and that no funds are left behind. The goal is to leave your account fully cleared, properly documented, and ready for closure without running into avoidable issues later. Start by withdrawing all funds from your account. This includes both crypto and any fiat balance you may still have available. Transfer your cryptocurrency to an external wallet that you control and send any cash balance to your linked bank account if that option is available. Take your time during this part and double check wallet addresses and account details before confirming anything. You want your balances to reach zero before moving forward, because many platforms will not process a closure request if funds are still sitting in the account. Once your balances are cleared, export your transaction records. Go into your account settings or history area and download your tax documents or transaction statements for your own records. This step is easy to overlook, but it's very important. After an account is closed, access to historical data can become limited or disappear entirely. Saving these files now can help with personal bookkeeping, tax reporting, or simply keeping a complete record of your activity. After that, open your settings from within the account dashboard. Look for the security section or the main account settings area. This is typically where account management options are located, including privacy, login, and closure related tools. Move through these menus carefully so you can find the correct option without changing anything unintentionally. Next, request account closure. If you see a close account option, use that to begin the formal deletion request. If that option is not clearly available, contact blockchain.com customer support through the official help center and submit a request there instead. Be clear that you want the account closed or deleted and follow any verification steps they require. In some cases, support may ask you to confirm your identity or acknowledge that the process is irreversible. Finally, remove local data from your devices, delete the app if you installed it on your phone or tablet, and clear your browser storage, cookies, and any saved passwords related to the site. This helps protect your privacy and prevents leftover login information from remaining on your device. Once you've completed all of that, your account closure process should be in good shape, and you'll have your funds transferred, your records saved, and your local access cleaned up properly.